I got a video of it. I got a video of it.
Really?
Next time, brother.
So wait, I might not be going to work tomorrow.
I doubt it, probably.
I think the Jersey Done.
Done.
I
work at Bayonne.
Let's see if this guy goes. Oh, he ain't going.
Yeah, I work in a bank in Bayonne. I don't know how the hell it is.
I work at we're down off New Hook by the power plant down there.
Okay.
Right off 440.
Thank you.
And that's at the peninsula. We're down.
Yeah.
There's 5 feet of water over there.
Thank God the wire to the bank that got off right down the end of Spotswood English Town Road.
Okay.
I think that's where Rockford is. Yeah.
Dave, I'll be right back. Just a street by the area I live in. Looks to be underwater, a couple of feet. Show you guys what it's like around here. Every of the 3 entrances to where I live, this is how it is on every side. Here's a look at the river.
Come backwards!
Yeah, right. Here's a look at the roadway, guys. Total carnage, dude. Chaos everywhere. Power lines underwater. Dude, this is insane. Hope everyone's safe. The insanity of storms. You can see the wind still in force. Dude, this road is done, bro. Underwater. There's the guy's mailbox, as you can see, barely floating above water.
Oh wait, I might be able to get pictures again.
Just total carnage. So as you can see, even though it's not that bad by where I live, we are all trapped here. Another day or 2 without work.
They're done. You didn't buy,
Yeah.
more carrots? Back there?
More carnage from Irene.
I'm gonna try to get a longer picture for my dad. Hope it's good by you guys. Another area by our house. Hacker 727. Here you go, guys. Look at this nightmare. Oh shit. Holy crap. Look at that ranch down there.
What?
Look at the ranch down there. He's all the way in the thing. There's some dumbass who's walking. Yeah, look at down here, bro. There's another street as such. Welcome to New Jersey. Oh my God, look at it. That guy's basketball net's underwater. Dude, that is bad down there, bro.
Oh my god.
That is insane.
Dude, you gotta send me these pictures, dude.
These are not pictures, these are videos. Hope you enjoy the carnage, folks. Hacker 727 out. Peace.